All right, y'all, I'm back. See Grandma Candace say, I don't care if they don't get in here. But look, y'all, it's a little waterfall to it. Come down on the little slide. That is so cute. Look how she trying to take on Grandpa. Yeah, take it off. Pull. Can you get it? Where the hole at?
Huh?
Here, go here to Grandma. Yeah, that is so cute. The little waterfall. You like that? Sit down in it. You gonna sit down? Sit down. Swim. Okay, Grandma, go get some more hot water. All right. That is so cute, y'all. Look at the little waterfall coming down on the slide. Ah.